Welcome to the Football Kickoff STEAM Kit unboxing. The 5 activities in the kit are make your own football helmet, make your own football team graph, make your own football field, make your own football penalty flag, and make your own football. So first we have our business card. Feel free to email about any questions. And going into the box, you can see all the materials laid out. You'll find a paper cup and cotton balls, which will be used in creating the helmet and the football. And next, you'll see a plastic football egg with a rubber ball inside to test the strength of your helmet. As you can see, you'll be provided with tape, and neatly wrapped inside are colorful paper strips, which you'll use in creating 3D graphs of the football team, and you can reshape them and put them on the graph. It's an engaging way to learn how to manipulate data. Next, there are straws that will be used to make the football field, and they're bendable, reshapeable. Next, there is a package you'll see with wood craft sticks, these, and rubber bands and string that will be used for various activities. A wooden ruler will come in handy, scissors, pencil sharpener. We get a small bottle of glue and a small safe to handle rubbing alcohol spray bottle, a marker, and a STEAM Kit's pen and pencil. There will be a spoon that you'll use when launching your football, dirt which you'll be using in the activity where you're making a football field, and a handkerchief which you'll use when you're creating your penalty flag. You'll get to use visual arts to kind of make something new. Next, there is the plastic bag that will be used in creating the football helmet. And an important part is the activity note cards that have all activities and the activities names in them. You can sign your name and write any notes on them. Next, we'll get to the kit workbook, which contains the activities, writing prompts, instructions for each activity, and includes bonus activities. And at the bottom of the kit, the last supplies that we'll get are paper. So the lined paper will be used to make the football, and there'll be various cardboard pieces for all the other activities. We got the brown ones and the white ones. And that is the end of the Football STEAM Kickoff Kit. I hope you enjoyed the unwrapping experience and get to experience it with your own kit. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media, and you can buy the kit on the website linked in the description, steamkits.com.